Hey everybody, this is my first YouTube video on the channel. We're going to be unboxing this 40-inch plastic creeper by ProLift. I think it's going to match my setup. My favorite color is orange and gray, as you can see. So this is my new shop. Just got it all set up. Got me a new creeper to match. I think you're going to like it. Gotta put it together a little bit. This look cool. Bolts through the wheel. Make sure the square channel lines up with that square channel so it holds it. Take it through the bottom. Drop a sleeve in each one. Make sure it goes all the way down. Drop a washer. Then you're gonna put the locking nut on. I just use this to get the locking nut started. I'll come back with a power tool to crank it all the way down. Alright, so ProLift seems to roll around good. Got a good arm cutout for moving your arms. You can put tools right here. And it rolls good. Yep. Real smooth. Can't wait to get up under the car with it.